Let me spill some tea right up front. Most people using ChatGPT and AI image generators are doing it completely wrong. They throw in some lazy online prompt, get a generic image, and then they wonder why their digital products are not selling. And you know what happens next? They run to Etsy or Gumroad or even Canva saying that AI doesn't work. When the truth is, it wasn't the tool that failed, it was their prompt. And that's why today I'm going to show you exactly how to prompt ChatGPT's AI image generator to create digital products that you can actually sell online. We're not just talking about the generic stuff that you see around. And we're not playing with AI either on this channel. We are building income streams because this channel is all about different ways to monetize your YouTube channel without having to depend on Google AdSense every month. And this is the perfect way to do that. And by the end of this video, you will know the same prompt layering, I call it prompt layering techniques that I've used to create sellable, polished, professional looking digital downloads, things people actually want to buy. And let me give you a little heads up. I am going to share how I personally take these AI generated designs and turn them into products that actually sell on Etsy, Gumroad, and even in my own digital storefront. So stay with me, because this is where online side hustles stop being theory and start being income. And I'm talking about income while you sleep. So let's start with the obvious question. How do you prompt ChatGPT to create an image that doesn't look like every other free AI output? Here's the thing. Keywords matter. Yes, they matter, just like they do in SEO. When you're writing prompts, ChatGPT's image generator doesn't care about your feelings. It cares about you being specific. Make me a cool notebook cover. That will only give you something boring. But if you say something specific like, generate a minimalist notebook cover with soft pastel gradients, bold typography in a modern sans serif font, and space for a digital download title at the top, suddenly the AI knows exactly what to do and exactly what you want. That's how you go from amateur to professional in one sentence. And here's a little insider gossip. Trending ChatGPT prompts spread like wildfire in content creator groups. Right now, photo editing prompts and ChatGPT prompts for image generation are exploding in these groups. Why? Because they're easy to adapt into products, social media templates, digital planners, wall art stickers, and even ebook covers. But the trick isn't copying those trending prompts. It's improving AI outputs by stacking modifiers like for Etsy, print ready, or high resolution PNG with transparent background. That's how you do it. You tag these into the prompt. That one line of prompt can make your AI art creation usable as an actual product. Now, if you're watching this and you're thinking, okay, Cheryl, this makes sense, but I need actual examples that I can copy and use today. Don't worry, I've got you covered. I put together an ebook called How to Use ChatGPT Prompts to Create Viral Digital Products That Sell. It's beginner friendly, but power packed. 38 pages that walk you through everything from understanding ChatGPT to generating product ideas to actually creating ebooks, planners, and templates with prompts you can literally plug and play easily. And here's the kicker. It even covers packaging, design, and how to write high converting product descriptions so that you're not just making digital products, you're making viral digital products that actually will sell. And my product is only $9 right now, and you can download it instantly to your device. I'll drop the link below in the description so that you can grab it before the price goes up. Yes, because $9 is the launch price. Now let's get into the fun part. How to sell digital products online once you have the images. Here's where most beginners get stuck. They generate the images, but they don't know what to do next. Let me walk you through it. Like we're chatting over coffee or juice, whatever. All right, so say you create a set of wall art prints with ChatGPT's image generator. Don't just upload them raw just like that to Etsy. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to go back to ChatGPT and prompt it for product descriptions. Say something like, write me an SEO optimized Etsy description for minimalist abstract wall art and include the trending keywords. Boom. You now have not just the product, but the words that sell it. Want to take it a little further? Ask ChatGPT to create matching product bundles. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to generate you 5 complementary image prompts for a cohesive digital planner sticker pack. Suddenly, you don't just have one product anymore. You have a bundle. And bundles sell like hotcakes because buyers feel like they are getting more value from what you're selling. And let's talk about platforms now. I've tested Gumroad digital products, Etsy digital downloads, and even easy digital downloads plugins on WordPress. And here's the inside scoop. Etsy digital downloads that actually sell aren't random clip art. They are niche, useful, and aesthetic. Think travel planners, budget trackers, affirmation wall art, and social media templates. That's what I'm talking about. Remember now, the AI is free or cheap compared to your time, the time that you're going to spend doing it from scratch. So let the AI do the heavy lifting for you. Use it to create variations until you have a polished digital download that looks customized, even if you only spend 10 minutes refining your prompt on ChatGPT. Now, before I give you my secret sauce for making AI products that stand out in a crowded marketplace, let me pause for a second. Because I know some of you are thinking, okay, Cheryl, this sounds amazing, but this is a lot of stuff to remember. And that's exactly why I put together my monetization resources on this channel. I break down not just the prompts, but how to use them, where to sell them, and how to set up your shop so that you can actually make consistent sales. So check the link below if you want that step-by-step roadmap. All right, let's get back to the juicy part, standing out. Because you want to stand out because there's so much competition. If everyone's using the same free AI image generator, how do you make your digital product look different? That's the question you probably are thinking about. The answer is in prompt stacking. Don't stop at AI art generator. Add layers. Let me explain. Tell ChatGPT the art style, for example, watercolor, minimalist, digital 3D. Tell it the mood. You want it calm, vibrant, retro. Talk about the audience. Is it for seniors, for students, for entrepreneurs? Talk about the platform in your prompt. Optimized for Etsy digital downloads. Sized for Instagram. Formatted for print. Do you get the drift? When you stack your prompts like this, ChatGPT starts producing images that feel unique. Nobody else is going to have that. And that's exactly what sells digital products online. You have to be different. And here's the kicker. You don't have to stop at just creating the product. You can use ChatGPT to generate your marketing assets as well. Want to sell on Pinterest? Prompt ChatGPT. Write something like, write 10 Pinterest pins. Write 10 Pinterest pin titles, for a trending AI art creation digital download. Need an Etsy listing photo? Use an AI art generator free tool to stage your image on a mock-up. Suddenly, you've gone from idea to full online business with almost no extra cost. And the final secret? Consistency. Don't just make one digital product. Make 5. Then make a bundle. Then take your bestsellers and repackage them for a different platform. That's how you go from experimenting with prompts to building an actual online side hustle or business that pays you while you sleep. So let's recap. ChatGPT image prompts aren't just for fun. If you know how to prompt ChatGPT, use the AI image generator the right way by stacking and apply these outputs to sell digital products online. You can turn a side hustle into a legitimate income stream that will last forever. Don't be the person crying AI doesn't work because you typed one weak sentence. It's your fault. You have to learn how to put these prompts in and how to do it, how to layer it. Be the person who layers the prompts, creates bundles, and actually builds a shop that sells. And if you want a step-by-step guide that saves you time and takes the guesswork out of all of this, don't forget to grab my ebook, How to Use ChatGPT Prompts to Create Viral Digital Products That Actually Sell. It's like having me as your personal ChatGPT coach in PDF form, and only at the low launch price of $9. It's the cheapest investment that you'll ever make in your business, and it's worth it. And if you want to make it much easier for yourself, grab my AI Content Creator Success Prompt Pack, the Early Access Edition. You get 20 prompts up front and 300 prompts in 5 to 7 days. The price is only for $15.99. I will also leave that link in the description as well. You have everything that you need. And if you're serious about making this work, don't forget to check out the resources I linked below in the description. I go even deeper into prompts, platforms, and monetization strategies that you can apply to your prompt business. I hope you found value from this video. If so, please hit the like and subscribe button. And wait until you see the next video coming up. It's titled The ChatGPT Prompts That Actually Make Money with Digital Products. You don't want to miss that video. It will be listed below the video. And your best digital product, it hasn't even been created yet, because you're going to use these resources that I've mentioned today. So let's make it happen with the tips that I gave you and the resources that I'm offering. Sorry. Oh my God, I'm over it. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Take care now.